Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to blend two images together using the gradient tool in Photoshop. I already downloaded two of my pictures into Photoshop, as you see here. So this is my background picture, and this is my layer one picture. So what you have to do is left click on this picture, bring it up to your first picture. When it's displayed, you bring it down and then unclick on your mouse and just move it into position. Control T makes or enables you to move and change the picture size. Then you push enter, and the next thing you do is you click on add layer mask. Now with it layer mask selected, which you'll see that there's bracket around it, so you know it is selected. You click on the gradient tool. In here, you go into basics, you make sure it's black and white, which I do have the black and white selected already. Your mode is normal, opacity is 100. Then you left click anywhere on your picture and you drag it across your second picture, and it'll bring up this cool effect. So you can do it any which way you want, and it would change the effect on it. So I'm just going to do this. And with this selected black, I'm going to change to my brush tool, and I'm going to start painting around this second picture. And you can change the brush size by holding the shift and bracket, just like this. And that'll bring it smaller or bigger. So I'm just going to change this a little bit more. And you use layer mask because you will change the picture on the layer and not the original photo, and that's what you want to do. You don't want to change the actual photo picture. And I'll just quickly do this. And that's how you do that. Also, if you wanted to paint back part of the motorcycle picture, you would change it to white, and then you could start painting just like that. So black, if you change your brush to black, it'll actually paint back the picture in the background. So a nice little saying to remember is black conceals and white reveals. That is my tutorial on blending two pictures together. Hopefully you enjoyed it.